100 days to a clean home. Just think, in 100 days, if we clean together, we can have a clean home. Today, I am completing days 21 through 25, and I am in my kitchen, so stay tuned for some deep cleaning kitchen motivation. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. I am on my journey to make my home as neat and tidy as possible in 100 days. This is 100 Days to a Cleaner Home. This is a collaboration hosted and put together by my sweet friend here on YouTube. Her name is Danielle. Her channel name is Clean House Simple Mama, and I am so happy that she invited me to do this challenge with her. Danielle is such a sweet person, and I absolutely love the fact that she goes live every day to do her 100 days to a clean home. So I would invite you to check out her channel. I'm going to link it in my description box below, along with my friend Sunday, who is participating, and my friend Cindy, who is participating. I will link all of those channels in my description box below, and I know that they would love to have you check them out. And if you want to, that would be great if you would subscribe and support their channel as well. I just want to thank you guys so much for spending part of your day with me. I am going to be taking things out of my cabinets, cleaning them, and putting things back. Yes, I think it's so important to clean from the inside out. So once every few months, I like to take everything out of my cabinets, clean the inside, and put everything back in and keep things nice and tidy. So let's get busy deep cleaning here in my kitchen cabinets.
Don't listen to what everyone else says. Take your time. You're not their mess. Yeah, you might not be at your best, but it's fine. I don't mind telling truths when you need to hear them, and be kind when that's what you prefer. How about when you can't see a way out, help you fight, and let you know that it won't always be this way. You will get there someday, babe. Feel the sun on your face, visit Paris or Broadway, and chill out on Sundays. Please don't take this the wrong way. I'm on your side through the worst days. I just have to say I miss my best friend, seeing her smile. Still, I don't mind telling truths when you need to hear them, and be kind when that's what you prefer. How about when you can't see a way out, help you fight, and let you know that it won't always be this way. You will get there someday, babe. Feel the sun on your face, visit Paris or Broadway, and chill out on Sundays. we'll get a fresh start. So count to 10, take a deep breath. This is the only way you'll ever find out that it won't always be this way. You will get there someday, babe. Feel the sun on your face. Visit Paris or Broadway and chill out on Sundays. It won't always be this way. You will get there someday, babe. Feel the sun on your face. Visit Paris or Broadway and chill out on Sunday.
I just want to take a moment to welcome you to my channel if you are new, and if you are a returning subscriber, I want to welcome you back to my channel. I am currently completing this 100 Days to a Cleaner Home, hosted by my friend Danielle, as I mentioned previously. I am so enjoying doing this challenge, and yes, I do like to take everything out of my cabinets and clean them. One reason why I really like to do this is because A, things can get dusty inside, but B, just I love to clean the inside out. Even with people, sometimes you can be beautiful on the outside, but the inside not so much. So I think of it that way when I'm cleaning my home as well. I want the inside of my cabinets, maybe even things that people do not see, to look as good and as presentable as the outside. That's just my concept to homemaking, and I thought that I would share that with you. I also just want to take just a moment to tell you about myself. My name is Jen. I am a former teacher and I am a heart warrior. And if you are new, I would love it if you hit that subscribe button and become part of my growing YouTube family, and introduce yourself in the comments, because I love getting to know all of you guys. I try very hard to respond to all of my comments. Sometimes they get a little delayed and I get behind, but I do try my best. Also, you are going to see in just a minute that I am washing the glasses that go on this top shelf. I do this occasionally because these do not get used very often at all, and so they do tend to collect dust, so I do like to wash them on occasions.
You're like a river in the dark. You stare me right, you lit the spark. And I can feel you tearing down every wall. Come one, come all. You're like an early morning breeze. Your soft red lips and gentle tease. You must have been sent just for me. Come one, come all. Just when I need you, you set sail and navigate. But when I need you, you lift me up till we levitate. You're mesmerizing, hypnotizing. My eyes are set on you. Through the fields of young romance, and under blue skies with an open glance, we're head over heels, filled with dreams. Come all, everything, just when I need you, you set sail and navigate. But when I need you, you lift me up till we let set sail and navigate. When I need you, you lift me up till we levitate. You're mesmerizing, hypnotizing, and my eyes are set on you.
In a previous video, when I was cleaning out my cabinets, I had this extra turntable and I knew that I wanted to use it here. I also wanted to use that black basket, but as things often go, they all did not fit, so I will find another place for that.
Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Only time will tell. Why do you keep telling me nothing? But I know all your flaws, at least they say something. Still I try to connect with you through your eyes. Your eyes. What is on your mind? I think it's time to speak. I have crossed the line, but no, not just me. I'm feeling something that goes beyond us. Us. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Yeah. Only time will tell. I still want all of you and I know all your colors. And I guess 'cause of that I can think of no others. Yeah, I need you to breathe. Without you I'm lost. I'm lost, yeah. What is on your mind? I think it's time to speak. I have crossed the line, but no, not just me. I'm feeling something that goes beyond us. Us, us. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Yeah. Only time will tell. Only time will tell. Tell. Work it out. No, I know what is on your mind. I think it's time to speak. I have crossed the line, but no, not just me. I'm feeling something that goes beyond us. Us, us. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Yeah. Only time will tell. Ooh, only time will tell. Ooh, tell. Ooh.
I won't get close to your heartache if you won't open your door. I'm feeling kinda lost when your mind is hiding whatever that is choking your chest. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking 'cause you're holding it back. Maybe you'll make up your mind. Now I'm here by your side. try to believe me when I say that you can tell me anything. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking, 'cause you're holding it back. Maybe you'll make up your mind now. I'm here by your side. So let it all out of me. Let it all out of me. Oh, I will hold you in the dark, make you forget about what's wrong. Let it all out of me. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking, 'cause you're holding it back. Maybe you'll make up your mind now. I'm here by your side.
Just want to thank you for spending time with me today, and I hope this video motivates and inspires you. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys on Tuesday for Tiny Tidy Tuesday. Love you.